Hello! Can you hear me? Doggy, don't knock over the camera. Hey guys, Hot Rod Typewriter Company. Today is a typewriter day. We got 2 in from Shop Goodwill. So you know what this is. It's a typewriter in a box. Let's take it out of the box. All right, so this is what we get from Shop Goodwill if Shop Goodwill sent you a present. So pop this thing open. Doggy, you gonna help? Come to this side, doggy. Come here. Get away from the camera. All right. Oh, packaging table. Try not to knock over the camera on the stand. All right, so we got some packaging here. We got paper. That's always good. Paper's good. Paper. More paper. Can you see it? Typewriter in the box. In a case. Retrieve that guy. Get this out of here. You're not a typewriter. Please. Are you still in frame? Can you see it? What do we got? Look at that. Handcuff keys. That will be useful for all the trouble you're about to get into. Stock sticker. What does this say on it? It says, can you see it? Is there focus action on that? Probably not. It says Leslie Dresbold Typewriter Stores. Man. Leslie. Mr. Leslie worked out of Pennsylvania, or is that, yeah, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And he imported console typewriters into the United States when not many people were importing goods from the Eastern Bloc. Now, there's a lot of tariffs and a lot of bad juju going on about the whole East versus West during the Cold War era. So this man pulled some console machines in and he rebadged them and relabeled them with his own name in order to sell these great machines on to people in the United States without getting too much flack from the government officials looking for those dirty commies. So Canada had the same opportunities. Commodore pulled in their console machines and relabeled them Commodore, and Speedwriter and various other. Norwood is another one from Australia. But these are all Eastern Bloc Czechoslovakian typewriters that are, in my opinion, absolutely fabulous. And we didn't get them because politics. So let's depoliticize typewriters and take a look at what we got here. So I'm going to move this over to the couch, flip the camera around. That way I'm not on my knees, I'm on the ground. What are you doing? Recycling? Reduce, recycle, reuse? What about you? That's the old guy. Old boy. Good old boy. I'm just gonna hold the camera. You know what? We're just gonna do a full stand-up walk around of this. So yeah, this is the typewriter right out of the box, the Leslie Dresbold. I was looking forward to this one. The case is phenomenal. I mean, not a scratch on it. White, beautiful. It's even clean. Let's pop it open. What do we got? Oh. We got a book. You don't want to see the book. You don't want to see a book. Don't eat the book. You want to see this. Uh-huh. Yeah. Look at that. Smart guy put his own name on a console typewriter. And it's a cool logo too. Hey, somebody call Richard Polt. Tell him to come over here and look at this. Dresbold. It's not a sticker. Like, I think he has a machine like this, but he got stuck with this sticker right here. Like, he had the pre-production model. He had the proof of concept model. They're like, well, we need to get these console machines out. They're in the back, stocking, you know, taking up the warehouse space. Let's do something. So they took their store label tag, their dealer tag, and they just stuck it right in the front, and they said, that's good enough. Let's get them out there while the 3D printer guys work on that. But there was no 3D printer, guys. It was a guy doing this by hand. Some guy made that, poured the goo into the mold. So yeah, no. Oh, it's a little rattly. That's all right. Rattly things are fun to. Oh, that's the lid. You can unrattle the lid. Let's see here. Oh, margins are set there. Good margins. Good margins. Yeah. Looks like this one's gonna work right out of the box. Good on Shop Goodwill for getting a cool free typewriter and selling it to me for a lot of money. It's a little sticky. It's a little dirty, a little sticky, but there's no damage. And I thought this thing was gonna be plastic, guys. But it's freaking ting. It's metal. Look at all those cool buttons. It's got buttons and knobs and doodads and switches galore. They do all sorts of things. A dead ribbon. It's an Elite. Maybe. It's a long carriage. Might be Pica. What are these? It's got wings. Look, it's got rocket ship wings. Can take off. Can take off the carriage. Yeah, that's the carriage quick release system. But we'll get into that. You know, this is just the first look out of the box. I'm just gonna clean this baby. Ooh, cool spools. I'm gonna clean this baby up. It doesn't look like it needs much cleaning. I'm gonna line the inside so it doesn't sound like a bell, and we'll get it dialed, nice and dialed. Look at this. Where'd the paper go? You're almost at the end. It's telling you to stop. Stop. All right, that was 7 minutes of heaven, and we'll go on to the next one because we got another one. Bye, doggies.